Hi, and welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through managing jobs in Skrub Hub. From booking job orders to tracking progress and generating invoices, Skrub Hub's jobs menu makes it easy to keep everything organized. Let's dive into how you can manage job orders efficiently. Job orders in Skrub Hub are automatically created when a client approves a quote. Once approved, the job order card is sent to both your assigned cleaner and the client. The job orders list is divided into 3 tabs to show the job's progress. Pending, where newly converted job order cards appear. Work in progress. Once the cleaner starts the job, the card moves here. Completed. When the client signs off and the cleaner finishes the job, it moves to this tab. In the Pending tab, all newly converted job order cards are listed. These cards are automatically generated when the client approves a quote and you convert it to job. If you need to cancel a job order, you can do so in 2 ways: by using the options icon next to the job order in the list, or by opening the job order details and selecting the options icon there. Once you select the job order you want to cancel, click Delete and confirm the action by clicking OK. Once a cleaner starts the job order will automatically transfer to the Work in Progress tab. This allows you to track the progress of the job in real time, ensuring everything is on schedule. Once the client signs off and the job is marked as completed, it moves to the Completed tab. From here, you can generate an invoice. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either click the Generate Invoice button from the job orders list or from the job order details. After clicking Generate Invoice, a preview of the invoice will appear. You can make any necessary edits before sending it to the client. Once you're ready, click Send to Client to email the invoice directly. Completed job orders will remain in the Completed tab until they are archived. To archive a job, follow the same steps as canceling a job. Use the options icon in the list, or from the job details page, and click Delete to archive it. This will remove the job card from the Completed tab. And that's how you manage jobs in Skrub Hub. From pending job orders to completed jobs and generating invoices, Skrub Hub helps you stay organized and on top of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most of managing your jobs in Skrub Hub.